Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix no internet access on Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to check your internet connection, restart your router and modem, unplug the power cable from your router and modem, wait for 30 seconds and plug them back. And check the other device, ensure the other devices can connect the internet. And if your computer has issue, you can use your mobile phone to connect the router. And you check you can access the internet. If that yes, you can, that is a problem in your computer. So if that is not working, you can run the network troubleshooter. To do that, press Windows plus I in your keyboard. In the left side, make sure you are selected system, and right side you need to scroll down, go to troubleshoot, choose the other troubleshooters and choose network adapter. Scroll down, yeah, it is here, tap on run. Now it is find the network adapter issues. You can choose if your issue is Wi-Fi, Ethernet or all network adapters, then after go with next. I'm not going to do that, just cancel. You can follow on screen instruction and fix your issue. And that also not working, you have to reset network setting. To do that, press Windows key plus I again, open settings menu. In the left side menu, go to network and internet and go to scroll down, go to advanced network setting, and in here you can see network reset option. Under more setting, tap on it and tap on reset now. And that also not working, you have to update network drivers. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager. I'm going to expand this one, and you need to expand network adapters, double tap on it. There are several options here. Right click on each one, tap on update driver and tap on search automatically for drivers. In my case it is already downloaded. Just close this one, and then after you can flush DNS and renew IP address. To do that, go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, choose run as administrator, tap on yes on the pop-up menu. Now you need to type IP config space / flush DNS. Hit enter. When it is completed, you need to type again IP config / release. Make sure you type these commands as this one, okay? When you hit enter, it is take some time, and when it is completed, you need to again type IP config space / renew. Hit enter. After then you can flush DNS and renew IP addresses. And it also not working, you have to disable and enable network adapter. To do that, press Windows plus R, it will be open run menu, and type ncpa.cpl. Hit enter. Now it is open network connections. You need to right click on your connection. In my case this one is using. Right click on it, tap on disable, then it will be disable your connection. Wait for a few seconds, then after again you need to tap on enable here. And that also not working, you have to change your DNS server. To do that, press Windows plus I, it will be open settings menu, go to the network and internet in the left side menu and choose the Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you are using Ethernet, you can choose Ethernet. I am using Wi-Fi, so I choosing Wi-Fi. Click on hardware properties in here, scroll down, you will find DNS server assignment in here. Just tap on edit, and you can see it is set as automatically. Change it to manual and toggle on IPv4, and you can enter following DNS address. Preferred DNS should be 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS should be 8.8.4.4. Click on save, then it will be used as your DNS setting. I'm not going to do that, just cancel it. And lastly, those all are are not working, you have to check for Windows update. To do that, press Windows I again, open setting, then go to Windows Update in the left side menu. In my case, I post the updates until tomorrow. You will be able to find check for update kind of button in here. Just tap on it. It will be automatically download latest network drivers kind of things and automatically installed. Then after, you need to restart your computer. If all of these methods are not working, that means you have hardware issue. You have to give your computer to technician and check your hardware is not working. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.